Right, good morning everybody. Today I would like just to explain to you all about our Edmodo class for the global child. So as soon as you sign in into your class, you can click on classes and you can choose which one is your class. In this case, I just try to make an example of K8 TGC official. When you click on this class, now what makes it easy for everybody from now on is all our teachers will put all their documents in the folders. So when you click on the folders, here you will see all the teachers that are teaching in your class. Let's just make an example of the folder of an English teachers with teacher Dao Heng, as you can see here, the owner. So when you click on this, you will see all the folders that have been placed with all the documents from each of the months that they've been teaching. So for example here, tasks of March and April in 2020. So all the document that teacher Dara has taught, he put in there. And if you click on May, you will have also the document from week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So let's just make an example of this week 3. So week 3, there is also a file that you can find all the information about what you learned for this week. So this is a study program. So week 3, May 18 to May 24, the content, how to be an effective online learner, and these are the objectives, and here are the tasks at what you're doing. So there are 2 topics for this week, and each of the students who miss the live sessions, they can go themselves to do their own tasks at their own time. So this is the introduction that you all can do for yourself. When you are not online in time with teachers, you can still do your own self-studies. Okay, so if you go back to folders, you will see also even June. So this is the preparation of all of our teachers that been doing to prepare and to make the work easier for those students who can't be online for the live session. They can do the learning on their own. So I hope you all will enjoy learning online with TGC, and please tell us if you need any help. Thank you.